Good morning, students. Last class of chemical kinetics, we have done the dependence of the rate of reaction on temperature. And we had done with the Arrhenius equation. And according to the Arrhenius equation, K is equal to AE to the power minus EA by RT. This is the Arrhenius equation. And we have done in detail in the last class what is the activation energy EA and the graphs related to the activation energy. Now let us simplify the Arrhenius equation in this class. Now taking log of both the sides, log K, in fact we can write log ln, natural logarithm, ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT, because it is the exponential form, and you know that ln is log to the base E. So on taking log of both the sides, we get this equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Now let us just simplify this equation. Now ln K, ln A, I bring it on the same side. So it will be EA upon RT. I take it this side. It will be ln A minus ln K. And we know log A minus log B is log A upon B. So I can write EA upon RT is equal to ln A upon K. And we know that ln is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10 A upon K. Ln is equal to, we have used it earlier also, natural logarithm is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10. Now I am rearranging it again. I bring it this side. So it becomes EA upon 2.303 RT is equal to log to the base 10 A upon K. Rearranging it again, we know that log to the base 10 A upon K means log A minus log K. It is equal to A upon 2.303 RT. Rearranging it again, I bring it log K this side, it will become plus log K is equal to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT. So this is how we have got the simplified form of the Arrhenius equation that we can use to solve the numericals. Now seeing the equation number 2, if I consider equation number 2 here, I can see that it is a straight line equation. Let us see how it is a straight line equation. You know the straight line equation, equation 2. Straight line equation ln K is equal to minus EA upon RT plus ln A. Y is equal to mx plus C. You can see a straight line equation. I've just rearranged it. Minus EA by RT and plus ln K. Now, y-axis, I have to take ln K. So on the y-axis, we take ln K. On the x-axis, I take 1 upon t. And we know that the slope of the graph is negative. So it will go in the downward direction. The intercept will be equal to ln A. And slope will be equal to minus EA upon R. So this is how we determine the slope in this case. But if I make a graph according to equation 3, which is again a straight line equation, similar to equation 2, y is equal to mx plus c. The y-axis, I have to plot log k. X-axis, I will plot 1 by t. I will get a negative slope the intercept is log A and slope will be equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R. When I take the natural logarithm, it is EA upon R, and here the slope is negative EA upon 2.303 R. Now, if I am given the rate constant of a reaction at two different temperatures T1 and T2, and even if I don't know the Arrhenius constant A, it is constant for a particular reaction, I can determine the activation energy EA. So we will see how I can determine EA by comparison method. Let us see. EA from Arrhenius equation by comparison method. For a particular reaction, if K1 and K2 are the rate constants at temperature T1 and T2. EA is the activation energy which is constant for a particular reaction and does not depend upon temperature. EA is the activation energy which is constant for a particular reaction and does not depend on temperature. And we know A is a constant, which is the Arrhenius constant. Then let us see. At temperature T1, K1, according to Arrhenius equation, we can write according to Arrhenius equation 1. K1 is equal to A e to the power minus EA by R T1. And similarly, at temperature T2, K2 is equal to A e to the power minus EA by R T2. Taking the negative log, taking log of both equations. On taking log of both the equations, we get ln K1 is equal to ln A minus EA upon R T1, and ln K2 is equal to ln A minus EA upon R T2. This I mark as equation 1 and this I mark as equation 2. And I am subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 from 2. So I can write ln K2 minus ln K1 is equal to ln A minus ln A. I can simply write the equation first and then rearrange. Minus EA upon RT1 minus ln A minus EA upon RT2. We know that log A minus log B is ln K2 upon K1. Log A minus log B is log A upon B. So ln K2 upon K1. And here it will be ln A minus ln A, and you know both are same, ln A upon A. It gets cancelled. And from here I can take EA upon R common from both of them. Negative, negative will become positive. So EA upon R minus 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T2. Or I can write it as 1 upon T2 minus 1 upon T1. This is your equation number 3. We know the value of ln. ln is 2.303 log to the base 10. K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon R 1 upon T2 minus 1 upon T1. I can take 2.303 that side, so it becomes log K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T2 minus 1 upon T. And that is how, if I know the values of K2 and K1, I know the values of T2 and T1, I can calculate EA. And once I calculate EA, I can substitute in any of the equations and calculate A also. So this is your equation 4, and these are the simplified forms of the Arrhenius equation. Thank you.